the suggested steps to take right before and after certification to make sure the business is legal and ready.
You guys want to be legal? You're asking too much. Come on. Great question. So obviously we all want to do as much as we can without paying an attorney that costs $300 an hour because, 3 hours is $900. So, well, of course, you got to set up your company, LLC, S Corp. There's different ways. And I wish I could tell you what the perfect answer is, but it's based on your personal tax scenario because everybody has different expenses and maybe some are married and some are single. So I would find your current accountant, whoever does your taxes now, or if somebody doesn't do your taxes, whoever's a very formal accountant, say, okay, here's my world. Here's the income I make, married, single, blah, blah, blah. And I'm about to start this company. What do you recommend as far as the legal structure? They'll let you know, oh, you should do it this way because it's going to be different for all of us. And then legally speaking, so you set up your corporation, your LLC, whatever it is, you need a medical director if you're going to start a aesthetic business that has injections, technology, things like that. Not just a 2-page contract that says, okay, this is my supervising party. And now you're basically legal. And then also typically, in most states, you have to set in like a $20 fee to have a license in the States, like a business license. It's not $20, $100, depending where you live. So those are the main things. Then if you're going to get like technology, in some states like Arizona, they require us to like send in like I think it's $50 annual fee to have a whatever license, a legal way to kind of do technology, but it's not all the states. So those are just the immediate basic things that come to mind. Erica, can you think of any other legal things in addition to those?
I think the most important thing is to not go overboard and really just do the basics. I know it sounds funny, but you want to just do the basics to get yourself covered, but don't go overboard because things change. So if you're an individual, you don't necessarily have to go nuts. If you're an individual working for an organization, you may not need any legal entity at all. So just really look at the basics. And I know that some lawyers would cringe at this, but paralegals, just like nurse practitioners, paralegals are just as astute as an attorney is when it comes to putting legal entities together.
Agree.
So really, it's fine to go to a paralegal to get that done.
A lot cheaper. There's probably gonna be like what, $50 an hour versus 300, right?
Yeah. And because legal questions come up so much too, we're in the process of launching Crushing It in Aesthetics, and it's going to be deep dive interviews. And the first interview we do is going to be with an attorney. So that's going to go into all the details of what anyone needs.